Oh, guys, man, look, man. Man, I am on a kayak, y'all. I don't know what the hell I just let my homeboy talk me into, guys, but I am scared like a motherfucker. Excuse my language, but I am scared. Oh, man. Drew, where the hell you at, man? I'm scared to turn around. Ooh, look at this big ass wave in front of me. Guys, man, this ain't, oh my God. He don't even tell me what the hell to do. He just say, just hold your balance. I can't believe this shit, y'all. Man, look. Man, y'all excuse my language, man, but this is something new for me. Hey, this is new for your boy. No, it ain't that bad, but I'm nervous than a motherfucker.
Once you become big guy, you can use this kind of kayak.
Look, I can't. So you see, look, he get on my nerves. Huh? Look at this motherfucker. Oh man, hey guys, man, look, we catch y'all in a minute, man. Once we get to where we need to get to, cause I don't need y'all seeing your boy scared and all this, man. But this is another episode of Faith the River Hunting Fishing, man. And my boy Andrew over here, man. Hey, y'all stay tuned.
Open wide, searching for a song to drink beer to. I've had a large amount pass, but a smile and a couple beautiful girls tell me goodbye. Trucks break down, dogs run off, politicians lie, been fired by the boss. It takes one man, count the things I can count on. No, there ain't much man that ain't ever let me down. Long neck, high skull beard never broke my heart. Like diamond rings and football teams have torn this boy apart. Like a neon dream, it just dawned on me that bars in this guitar. And long neck, high skull beard never...
All right, guys, we got our first fish of the day, man. My boy Drew on. What you got? Oh, you got, oh, that's a nice one. Is that a blue? Oh, yeah. Nice blue, guys. Check him out. Yes, sir. But that was on shad? First fish of the day, guys. But yeah, y'all gotta bear with me though, man, cause this is my first time doing this type of stuff right here. It's cool, I ain't gonna lie, it's cool. You know, man, y'all always have that one friend that ain't scared to do shit. And that's this nigga, that's him right here. My boy Drew, man. Yeah, man, this is Faith the River Hunting and Fishing, man. Your boy's on a kayak. As y'all can see, I'm very still. But y'all stay tuned, man. Faith the River Hunting and Fishing, man. Soul Snatcher. And Mr. Andrew. Alright, guys. Mr. Drew is getting another bite over here, man. Getting a bite off that shad. We already got one on the stringer, man, so that's a good sign. Sun's starting to go down. You gotta check your boy out. Your boy right here on the bank. Uh-oh.
That's how that other one is doing, bro. He's biting real light from how big he is.
Yeah, I know, because that was a nice one too, though. And he over there biting light. Yeah, man. So your boys out here on the kayak, man. It's fun. I ain't gonna lie, it's cool. It's cool. But it's just to get the moving, the boat get the moving. It's just like, oh hell no. It's like getting on a plane for the first time and that motherfucker get to shaking when it take off.
Imagine in the bay when it's windy and that the whole time you're just like this.
Shit no. And I'm gonna be hugging the shit out that side of the bank.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we trying to get us some catfish, man, and some gar. Pretty much whatever gonna bite the line today, whatever's hungry. And we hoping to snatch the asses out the water, man. My boy already on the board, look, he getting a bite again.
One time I was out here kayaking back at night at like 1 o'clock, and I don't know if it was a big gar or a gator, but something hit deep fuck out of the side of the kayak.
You said something hit the kayak?
Hard.
Shit. And we ain't got no lights.
Yeah.
Shit. You know, I'm black already, I'm dark. So you know, us in the dark and dark, they don't go together. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. All right, guys. Andrew said he got to run over there, man. What he gonna do?
You set him?
Go ahead, do your thing. Don't set too hard and your ass fall.
Bro, we went to get up in the grass.
He got you in the grass?
Yeah, I had to be a turtle.
Probably was in a few in the grass over there. All right, guys, we moved down. I'm talking about we moved way down. But man, look at these houses up there, man. I know those people don't even fish like that. I know they don't even fish, man. I'll be out here every day. I wouldn't even need to leave the house. What sauce nice there in the backyard? Oh, yeah, man, y'all see my boy Andrew over there, man. He already got 1 catfish down. He getting all the damn bites. I ain't got nothing yet. But I'm about to rebait in here in a minute. I just been a little scared. I ain't been wanting to move at all. So you know how that go. But y'all stay tuned, man. Fade the river. Is he on?
Yeah, he's on.
What is it, a gar?
Probably. That bitch is big, nigga. He ain't playing with it.
All right, guys, man. Andrew just got a nice bite over here. We're gonna have to go over there, huh?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna call you back. Is he still on there?
Yeah.
All right, let me call you back.
Hold on, baby.
That's definitely a gar.
Let it come off now.
You think so?
Yeah. If it came off, we're gonna ride out. Look at this big. This is my bait.
Guys, y'all hold on for a second. Let me put my phone up. I saw the thing get real quick. He still on now? All right, guys, let's. Oh, what is that, a catfish?
I don't know, nigga, but that bitch is full of fuck out of it. It might be a dog.
Boy, is that a gator, nigga? That's a catfish?
We might have enough for dinner, baby. Yeah, it looked like a big blue, didn't it? Oh,
Oh yeah, that's a big bitch, boy.
got a net either, huh?
We ain't got no net.
Keep going. We got Din Din, baby.
We ain't got nobody in there. Ain't that a damn?
So give me the gas and I'll get him. Just don't fucking miss.
God damn.
Right under the mouth. That's the one we've been waiting on.
I can't even. Oh, that bitch got me wet. Hold on.
15, 20 pounders.
Ah. I gotta turn the damn boat around.
I got it. I'm about to noodle him. Come on now, Rashida. Come down.
Ah.
Barely hooked. Give me the gas.
I'm off here all in the grass and shit. I done made a whole 360.
Hold that rod.
Damn. Let me see it. It's up on that damn thing.
Hold the rod up, Nick. You ain't holding it.
You didn't even give it to me. Damn.
Oh, don't let it bust loose.
Just grab that motherfucker. Oh, he doing the goddamn. Grab that motherfucker, Drew.
Most.
Grab that bitch, Drew. Grab that bitch, Drew. Stop playing with the bitch.
Babe.
Stop playing with her. Pull that big bitch up. Pull that big shit up, Drew. Man, y'all check my boy out, man.
Finally, nigga. We've been out here all fucking day.
Hey, y'all check this boy out. Yes, sir.
Put his fat ass in a box.
Yes, sir, my hey. What happened, man? When Faith the River, we hooked
And
up,
she's
dog.
squirting.
She squirting?
I'm known for it.
Oh, look at this big bitch here.
This motherfucker on here before this bitch does any flipping.
Y'all have to excuse your boy, man. I'm new to this kayak shit. This ain't for black folks right here.
That motherfucker caught now.
Man.
Tell your mama now. We're having a fish fry.
Oh yeah.
We ain't going nowhere.
Oh,
I
yeah.
need a couple more of them.
Oh yeah. Man, y'all stay tuned, man. Faith the River. All right, guys, man. Y'all check this big boy out, man. It's the end of the night, man. We got these two big boys right here. Well, we got this one big boy here. That's a big mother search your mouth, y'all. Check him out, man.
Size 12, Bubba.
So y'all see, man, we got white chocolate right here, man. He did his goddamn thing. He caught both of these. I mean, today was the episode of Andrew. Yeah, today was the episode of my boy, y'all. He caught both of these. I did nothing today. I was still trying to adjust to this kayak thing, man. It was fun. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was fun, man. But woo-wee. Man, y'all look at this. Y'all can't even see nothing out there. That's where the water at, man. We had no lights. And we coming out the damn thing over there. We're seeing two alligators. Y'all already know, man. I was shitting my pants. Now he over here like it ain't nothing. Crazy ass. But yeah, man, like I said, man, let's go end the video right here, man. Y'all see this big boy right here, man. Mr. Andrew caught both of these things, man. And I appreciate him, man, for bringing his boy on this good old journey on these kayaks, man. Man, but till next time, man, it's Faith the River, man. It's your boy Soul Snacks, man. My boy Andrew, man. We out.